In this question, you have to identify the event that does not occur in rough endoplasmic reticulum, that is RER. Option A, protein folding. It does occur in RER. Newly synthesized protein are folded into their functional three-dimensional structure with the help of protein folding protein or chaperones. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option B, protein glycosylation. It also occurs in rough ER, especially N-linked glycosylation. And this process involves the addition of carbohydrate chains to specific amino acids, which provide the stability to the protein and as well as it is important for its function. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option C, phospholipid synthesis. Now, phospholipid synthesis mainly occurs in smooth endoplasmic reticulum and not RER. Thus, it is the correct option. Option D, cleavage of signal peptide. Now, it also occurs in RER. Signal peptides direct the nascent protein to RER. Hence, it is incorrect option.